I hope you all are best and fine. And already we are completed our lesson, some part of introduction. What is the heat and what is the measurement and what is the conservation of energy. Yes, we wait for 2 minutes for our friends. Yeah, students, we already completed about our conservation of momentum principle. Sorry, conservation of energy principle. Yes, you know very well the energy that changes from one form to the another form. Okay, but total energy of universe remains constant. But we not created our energy. Whatever energies are there, we are not destroyed the energy also. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, students, once again I repeat it. Yes, don't write anything in a chart box till doubt clarification session. Yes, today onwards I will immediately I hide you. Okay, no? Yes, if you are made like these things. Okay, during the lesson you don't write anything. It is a better to you. Yeah, so till our friends are may join. Yes, we have to join here. All the students, please come to the chat box. Please give your attendance for your attendance recording purpose. All the students, and now yesterday, the day before, and the last classes, they are already completed the concept of heat and as well as the temperature. Now we have to go to discuss about how to measure the heat and as well as there is a what is the difference is there between heat and as well as the temperature. Already we have discussed at what situation the heat is transferred from hot body to the cold body. Yes, there is a what heat is nothing but what Nana? Heat is nothing but it is one of the energy form which is coming from hot body to the cold body. At what time it is coming? At what the time it will be coming from hot body to the cold body? How much time? And at what the situation, up to what situation it is a convert from hot body to the cold body? That is only we have to go to discuss here. Suppose you take here one of the substance, one of the like this. We have taken one of the bowl. In this one, you take somewhat amount of any water. Yes, here it may contain. Already we have discussed it is okay now. It may contain somewhat 40 degree of centigrade temperature. Okay now. Another body may take it is as what actually 80 degrees. In this one, there is a whatever the water is there. Okay now, it will be contain somewhat 80 degrees centigrade only. Okay, somewhat smoke may come for us. Okay now, 80 degrees here. Here, when you take the water from here to here, what is going on? What is going on? This is taken as A, this is taken as B somewhat. You take a water from where to where? From this 40 degrees centigrade to that 80 degrees centigrade. What is going on? What is going on? Yeah, Yeah, there is a what? This 40 degrees, whatever the water components are there is when it is enter into this, these 40 degrees centigrades are taken heat from where? They taken heat from this 80 degrees centigrade. Got it or not? Yes. We imagine that what, otherwise we feel that what, because of this water may become cooled down. It is a correct. This is a correct statement. This is a 40 degree centigrade is a given heat to this. No, it is a given cool to this. Clear or not, all of you? It is only gives the what? Heat to it. Clear or not, all the students? Why? Because our heat energy is always transferred from which one? It's always transferred from hot body to the cold body only. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Once again, I am repeating here. Suppose you take here somewhat cool water. It is pour on this hot water. Pour on this hot water. Okay, clear or not, all the students? I am taken this is a cold water or not? Compare with this, it is a cold water or not? It is a cold. 40 degrees is a cool water. It is somewhat hot water. You take cool into hot, which is become hot now. The cool is become hot or not? The cool is become only hot. Your hot is not become cold in another format. Here it loses somewhat energy. It is a transfer the hot to the what? Cool. Here cool is not become hot here. Yes, sorry, cool is not become. It is not changes hotness of it actually. Yes, that hot is only transfer the heat energy to this cool water. Okay, understood not all of you? How? There is a what? Whatever this 80 degree centigrade is there, gradually is the changes. And here the both are. When you take here, both are in the same phase at the time. When 80 degrees are 80 degrees, whatever there, it is a what? Mixed with this 40 degrees. Mixed with this 40 degrees. Okay, now the 80 is the what transfer this energy to the 40 automatically there is a whatever the 80 degrees is a loss, it's a heat. Okay, clear or not, all of you? That last thing is a gained by 40 degrees things. Okay, it is not contained in our textbook. This explanation is not contained in our textbook, but we have to go to discuss. Hot body is only transfer the heat energy to the cold. Then what you understood from these things, Nana? For the heat energy purpose, what is the main requirements are required for us? For the heat energy purpose, compulsory we require, okay, now two things. What the two things are required? One is the hot body, another one is the cold body. Compulsory what we required? One is the hot body, another one is the cold body. Yes, at that time only the heat is transferred from hot body to the cold body. Up to at what time it is transferred? When the two bodies are reaches to the same temperature. When the two bodies are reaches to the same temperature, means what? Same hotness, same coldness. Okay, now same heat energy. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Same heat energy. At that time only, okay, now they become, okay, now stabilized. They become equilibrium with one another in the form of a heat energy. Okay, now up to that there is a no change in that. Okay, now yes, there is a no change in the possible thereafter. Okay, when there is it is a 40 degrees, it is a 80 degrees, it is a 40 degrees. It loses it's a 20 degree centigrade temperature and it is reduced to the 40 degrees. Automatically the both are become 60 degrees. There is a water, whatever the 40 degrees amount of water is there now. This 80 degrees of water is there now. It loses 20 degrees, it is a produced this 40 degrees one. Automatically the both are at what position? The both are at a 60 degrees. At that time there is a no transfer of energy. There is a no transfer of energy. Already we are discussing. When we got the fever, the thermometer is tested our temperature. Yes, up to at what temperature? The both thermometer and V are reaches to the same temperature only, the thermometer is a given reading. Then after it is a possible to giving the reading. Then after it is increases. Suppose we got a fever of 101 degrees. Okay, 101 degrees. When it is a touch with our body, when the thermometer is recorded 101 degrees, then after there is no temperature rising in a thermometer. It's a correct or not? Why? Because at that time thermometer is a cold body, it is a hot body. The thermometer is a cold body and it is a hot body. Clear? Thermometer is a hot body, it is a cold body. Because of that only there is a what temperature is a changes. Otherwise it is not possible. And as well as in the morning when you are bathing, at that time there it is a become what actually when you take a same amount of waters on one bucket, you take there is a one somewhat measurement levels are there na on bucket. There is a it is a 5 liters, it is a 10 liters, it is a 15 liters. Otherwise you take in case a measurement is not there, you take the same amount of water. Means what? Same types of bowls we are consider in that bowl. Otherwise in the same vessels, whatever the same amount of vessels you take here. Okay, clear or not? Yes, same amount of vessels you take here. In that same amount of vessel, same type of vessels, you take a same amount of water. Once you heat that, another one you make kept like that only. Okay, clear or not all of you? When you take a same amount of water, one is a hot water, another one is a cold water. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, now there is a once you check the temperature of that hot water. Yes, then you check the temperature of this cold water. Once you add the both the things, now what will we get for us? There is all the two waters are in a same temperature, up to that, the same temperature will get for us. Okay, clear or not all the students? And otherwise may sometimes it is experienced by you. Okay now, yes, when you take a cold water at the bottom and as well as the hot water at where? Hot water at top surface. Once you put the hand inside of that bucket, inside of that vessel, yes, bottom are feel like that till cold only. Immediately, when you take a hot water in that vessel, immediately once you check it may not become hot immediately. It will be take some time. Okay now, yes, the bottom is looks somewhat a cold only. Clear or not all of you? Yes, otherwise you take a bottom as a hot water, yes, and you open the tap. Yes, whatever the water is on, which is coming from the tap, which is connected with hot water, immediately they become hot. That much of hot? No, it will be take some time. Why? Because there is a heat is transferred from that hot body to this cold body. This hot body to the cold body. Got it or not? This is only about the things. I hope you are understood. You check once, there is a whatever the hot body is there, whatever the cold body is there. Yes, every time there is a hot body is only transfers its energy of heat to the what? Cold body only. Okay, clear? Up to at what time? Up to at when they are contain both are equal hotness or equal coldness. Clear? Equal hotness or equal coldness. What you observe from this? What the heat energy is produced for us? The heat energy gives the information. Compulsory for the transfer the heat energy purpose, we have to require the two bodies. With the one body, we can't transfer the heat energy. Okay, clear not all of you? It is possible to do transfer the heat of one body. It is possible to transfer the heat in one body which are contain as uniform temperature. No, compulsory what we require? The two bodies are required which are contain compulsory hotness and coldness difference. Hotness and agala the coldness difference. Okay, clear or not all of you? One may be compulsory hot, another may be some compulsory cold. Okay, now then this hot body. At that time only it is possible to transfer the heat energy from one body to the another body. Clear or not all of you? Yes. What we require? Two bodies compulsory. The two bodies compulsory contain the temperature difference, not the same temperature bodies. Like that, at that time only it is possible to change hot energy from hot body to the cold body. Okay, that is only. Yes. How to measure this? Hotness and coldness. Whatever, this much is a very hot, otherwise this much is a very cold. It is given by one of the property of heat, that is only called what? That is only called what? That is only called, yes, temperature. Temperature is the property which measures the hotness or coldness of heat energy. Okay, that is only. Yes, now we are going to how to any doubts are there, students, till now? What is the heat energy? What is the, yes, hotness? What is the coldness? What is the temperature? Don't go with a hi and bye. Ask the doubts. All the students, right? Yeah, there is a how to measure the hot or cold energy. Yes, by using the one of the, yes, property, that is only temperature. By somewhat instruments we have to go to measure it. Okay, now, yes, about that instrument we discuss now. We have to go to discuss now. Yes, till now, what is the heat energy? Tell me, students. What is the heat energy? Temperature is nothing but, temperature is the property of heat. Temperature is the property of heat which gives the information about hotness or coldness. Hotness or coldness. Means what? It is a measure which is the hot, which is the cold. Okay, clear or not all of you? It's a difficulty to measure it is actually. We can't say it is only hot, it is only cold. But when we compare one hot body with the cold body, it is say it is a hot, it is say it is a cold. Okay, now compulsory there is a whatever the hot degree or whatever the cold degree, it should be difference is compulsory. Otherwise it is not possible to measure hotness or coldness. Okay, now we are going to whatever the measurement of temperature. How to measure the temperature? Yes, how to measure the temperature? How to measure the temperature? How to measure the temperature? Here given in a page number. What is the page number we are considering here? 45. In the page number 45, somewhat questions are there here. Yes, here in the page number, here somewhat questions are there here. 45 questions are there here. Have you observed any thermometer in our daily life? Yeah, in your daily life you observe the thermometers? Yeah, so many are there. Yes, so many are there. Yes, so many we are observed. Clear or not all the students? How when you got a fever, at that time there is a digital thermometers nowadays we are using. Otherwise there is a what? Not digital. We are taken the what actually? Yes, generally there is we are taking a thermometer like a clinical thermometer. It is called a clinical thermometer. They contain a glass. and as well as we are used, yes, for the measuring the whatever temperatures of environment, otherwise the weather temperatures, that is also used, and there is also we are used the thermometer. Different thermometers may be observed by you. Okay, clear or not all the students? And as well as the second question, have you seen the thermometer used by the doctors in hospitals? What does it is contains? And as well as all the students, there it is available in a 45 kg only. Once take it out. Yes. And so many of you, there is a what is there in a 45 page. Once check it out. Yes, Mr. Manish Rujan, sir, ice and fire makes water. Ice and fire makes the water. Yeah, ice is converted as a water when we are provided fire to it. Okay, and here there is a what here? How does it help us to measure the temperature? And let us observe a thermometer. Yes, and once what do you find it at both ends of the tube? How do they differ from each other? Once we go with the thermometer, yes, the thermometer structure. The measurement of temperature is taken from the where? The temperature is measured from our thermometer. Yes, once we are checking here, what is the thermometer and thermometers? What it contains? Okay, thermometers are looks like here, like this. Here there is a like this thermometer is there for us, and in this one there is a one of the is blank place will be available here. There is a yes, and there is a measurement purpose. There is a for the measurement purpose. For the measurement purpose, there is what somewhat values are also there. Like these values are also there. Okay, understood and all the students. And what is that? Main parts are there in this. There is a what? First one, it is a hook. Okay, and there is a what? It is a called stem. It is a called what? No, it is a called stem. This one, it is a contain capillary tube. It is a contain what actually? It is a contain capillary tube. Okay, clear about all the students? And it is a contain one glass bulb. Here it is a contain one of the glass bulb. It is there. It is a contain a glass bulb. And in this one, it is a contain what actually? Mercury is also there. In this one, there is a contain mercury also there. Actually, once check it out, this is the thermometer. We are taken, it is only thermometer. Clear or not all the students? It is a thermometer. May it is appear for you all. May it is appear for you or not it is. Yeah, there it is appear to you. I hope it is appear to you all. This is only the structure of thermometer. Yes, this is a container what actually, this is a called stem. From here to here, whatever the place is there, it is a totally called a stem. And at the top, it is a contain one hook it is there, but it is may not. All the thermometer may not contain a hook here actually. For the make it is hanging purpose, otherwise handled purpose. There is a take a hook here. Okay, clear. Small hook may available here, may not it is available. And this part is called stem. Okay, clear or not all of you? This total part is called stem. And the next at the middle, okay, now there is a one more tube is also there, may appear for you. This another color tube is also there. Yeah, there is, it is a what actually, that another color tube is also there or not? One yellow color, somewhat yellow color looks for you, that is another one. Clear? Yeah, I hope it is clear for you. This is only, yeah, middle there is a one more blank tube is also there. And here there is a what at this bottom, there is a one bulb is there, one shake it out. Here it is a what, one more bulb is there. This is only the glass bulb. There is a what, it is a glass bulb is there. Glass bulb is there. Okay, clear, it is a glass bulb is there. Okay, in this one what, there is a white color thing is there na, white color thing is there here. Once check it out, it is a called what, mercury. It is a called what, it is a called mercury. Understood not all the students? I hope you are understood. Okay, when you take here, this is only called actually our thermometer outer structure. This instrument name is only thermometer. Okay, got it or not all the students? There is a what, thermometer. Once check it out here, there is a like this situation, like this, the same whatever on the board, it is like that only, it is there or not? Okay, yes. And now once again I repeat it, thermometer is a contain first one stem. It is made by somewhat glass. Nowadays there is a what, it will be available, yes, in our digital format also, digital thermometer also, whatever may be the common thing, it is the stem. And as well as the one scale is there. Okay, on the scale there is a two types of letters are there. One check it out here. Okay, just a minute. May it is getting for you clear. Got it now? Clearly? Yeah? There is a what? This is only the thermometer. This is only the thermometer. Now it is clear? Yeah. This part is called, yes, from here to here. From here to here it is called what actually? From here to here it is taken as a glass tube. It is taken as a glass tube. Clear? It is taken as a glass tube. Clear? It is a glass tube. This part is called, this totally from here to here it is called stem. Here to here it is called what? A stem. This one is called what? Bulb. This one is called bulb. Clear or not all the students? This is a white color thing is called mercury. It is called what? It is called mercury. It is called mercury. And this is the scale nana. There is two types of scales are there. One check it here. It is a degree centigrades. It is a degree centigrade. It's called what? Fahrenheit. It's called what? Fahrenheit. F for Fahrenheit. It is called degree centigrade. Okay, two types of measurement systems are there for the measuring the temperatures. One is Fahrenheit degree centigrade. Another one is the degree centigrade. Fahrenheit centigrades. Sorry, Fahrenheit degrees. Another one is the degree centigrades. Okay, this is only. And here once check it out. It is a 94, 35. So start from 35. It's a start from 94. Clear or not, all the students? It's a start from 94. Yes, we discussed later how to measure it, how to convert degree centigrade into Fahrenheit. Okay, clear or not, all the students? There is a not started from 0. Once check it out here. In all thermometers, it's not like that only. In some thermometers, may started from 0 also for the measuring of a temperature of weather. Okay, we are taken that thermometers are in a 0 also. Okay, here but it is started from 94. It's started from the yellow things whatever there. Okay, clear or not, all the students? The yellow things whatever there here. What is that yellow things? That is a capillary tube. There is a middle one more tube is also there around this particular whatever our glass tube is there at middle. One more the yellow color is also called yellow things whatever there yellow thing. Yellow is the one of the tube. Once check it out, it started from where? It started from bulb only. Okay, clear or not, all the students? That yellow color thing is a contain as a bulb, that is a capillary tube. Okay, clear or not, all the students? This is only the information about our thermometer. Got it? Got it? This yellow color thing is this yellow color thing is called a capillary tube. Okay, clear? This is the called what? This is the called what? Glass bulb. The F is indicate, already I am given. Yes, the F is indicate, that is F is indicates Fahrenheit degree centigrade. Okay, and the C is indicate Fahrenheit degrees, and C is indicate, yes, once again I repeat it, how it will works and as well as how it is. Once check it, Nana, there is whatever the things are there. Yeah, now got it? Is a clear or not? Yeah, it is a clear now. Yeah, there is a whatever the once check it out here. Yeah, now it is a correct position. Yeah, there is about up to 35 somewhat a black shade it is there or not? Up to 35 degrees centigrade, or otherwise 94 point somewhat 94.5. Yes, there is a somewhat a black color shade is there. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Black color shade is there. That is what today's temperature. Today's this room temperature is how much? There is a room temperature is somewhat. Yes, now there is a room temperature is 4 degrees centigrade. Yes, 35.4 degrees centigrade. Now it will be shown like that only. Clear or not, all the students? It will be shown up to 35.5 degrees centigrade. Like that, we are conclude about our thermometer. Got it? This is only we are taken as a thermometer. Now there is a what? It is a bulb. It is already contained as a bulb only. In this one, there is a white color thing is there, na? That is called mercury. The mercury is expand for the heat. Okay, now when we provide the heat, this is the expanded, and whatever the glass tube is there inside it. Okay, this glass tube is not contain any air. It is totally air is removed from it. Afterwards, we fixed this tube. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Whatever this glass tube is there. Okay, now this total glass tube is not contain anyone. It is not air. Okay, now on this one there will be take one small pipe, one more pipe, that is in the form of a capillary tube. This one already you know very well. This yellow color thing, whatever there in middle, this is called what actually? This is only called this yellow type of things are there now. That is only called what actually? Capillary tube. Got it? And as well as the scale also immersed in it. Okay, the measurement of scale is also immersed inside it. And at the bottom of the our total glass tube, there is a what, it will be contain one more glass bulb is also there. This bulb is a contains a what, this bulb is a contain a mercury. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, for the measuring the various temperatures. Clear or not all the students? This is only about our, yes, this is only about our, yes, this is only about our whatever our, yes, temperature measuring purpose we are taking. Okay, yes, thermometer. Yes, then how to check it, you know, when you take this thermometer, it is a contact to like this. Okay, there is a contact like this. Okay, automatically whatever the temperature is there may rise as it is. Suppose one shake it out here. When you want to take here contact to the bodies, okay, different bodies like this, there is a what may it is. Okay, we are take tomorrow how to work it is. Okay, why? Because we take a hot water and as well as the cold water, and as well as you know very well all, when you go to hospital, there is a what, it will be take below the tongue. Automatically there is a what, somewhat in a capillary tube, that whatever the mercury is there, that may increases its height. Based on that height, they check the your temperature also. Clear or not all the students? Like this. Okay, clear? Yes. Once I want to explain, when you take here, it is inside of whatever this end is there now, this end is contact with, this end is a contact with the what, which body temperature you have to measure, you contact it. Automatically whatever the liquid is contained in the form of a mercury here, it will be rise, it will be rise through this capillary tube. Okay, it will be rise through this capillary tube, and where it will be touch with these lines. Okay, now suppose when we take here somewhat whatever the hot water, okay, now at this bottom you take here hot water, okay, now whatever the mercury contained here, it will be rise through this tube like this, rise through this tube like this. Okay, clear? Now it may reach up to here. Yes, there is a temperature is measured. Somewhat it is 100 degrees centigrade is there, it is called 100. Otherwise may it is here somewhat 50 degrees centigrade, it is called 50. Okay, clear or not all the students? Like this only we are measured, we have to go to measure it is. Okay, in this whatever green like things are there, okay, there is a what, it will be filled by this mercury in the color, in the mercury color, silver color it is looks like na. Yes, it is like this color, whatever looks for it is may rises, and it is reaches to this yellow color thing, and based on this whatever the numbers are there. Okay, suppose you take here, okay, the amount of water, okay, like this, you want to measure the temperature of this water. Okay, temperature of the water it is. Yeah, in a hospital there is a digital is there. Tomorrow also we are going with the digital one. Why? Because easily understood. Okay, you take here the water like these things. It is attached with this water. Okay, otherwise you take it. Yeah, you take it is in the whatever the water I am taken here. You take a measure. Okay, you want to touch this one. This bulb is whatever there. You touch with this. Automatically it is a measure the temperature. Okay, now yes, of that. Okay, now it is a somewhat difficulty to measure for you. Okay, now once take it here from this side. Okay, you touch like this, and there is a what in this one, there is a records are getting for us. Yes, in this one there is a what, it will be rises, it will be rises or may become down. Okay, clear or not all the students? Like this. Okay, it will be gives the what how much temperature is there. Okay, tomorrow we'll go with what our digital thermometer. Okay, now it will be get very easily for us. It will be get easily measurement, the number may be get for you. Okay, but it will be a fundamental thing, Nana, for the right of your examination, how there is a thermometer made for us. Okay, simply you take a one of the glass tube which is not contain the air. In that one you immerse the scale, and as well as there is a what temperature scale, and as well as the capillary tube. The capillary tube is attached with the one glass bulb which is at last, which is at the end of the our glass tube. That tube, that whatever the glass bulb is there, it is a contains of what? It is a contains somewhat mercury. Okay, clear or not all the students? Somewhat mercury it will be there inside it. The mercury, depending on the temperature, the mercury rises. Okay, now through the capillary tube, based on that rising height of the mercury, you measure the temperature. Okay, clear or not all the students? This is only about our thermometer. Tomorrow we have to go to discuss about the thermometer clearly. Yes, the water is at a cold only. Okay, how you say it is a cold or hot? So many times I am reminding students to you. Okay, you can't say it is a cold, it is a hot. Yes, it is a cold and it is a hot. Compare with one body, it may recorded high cold degree, it is called cold. Yes, come in case you are taken a hot means compulsory two things are required. Okay, clear or not all of you? Either is a cold or hot. You can't say it is a cold compulsory. Cold means compare with our body it is a cold. Compare with this thermometer temperature, that may be less temperature record. Okay, now the thermometer is taken at the air. Now it is shown up to there is a 35.4 degrees centigrade. When it is taken in a water, it may decreases then in temperature. The water is colder than this environment. You say it like that. That is only the measurement. No. Measurement is only nothing but comparison with the known thing with the unknown thing. Okay, the two things are compulsory. Okay, otherwise you can't say it is a cold, it is a hot. Okay, now already I am given this line is a big or small. This line is a big or small. You can't say here. One more line you have to draw. At that time it is a long. It is become sharp when you compare it. Cold is nothing but also. Suppose 40 degrees centigrade is there one body. It is a cold or hot. You can't say it is a cold or hot. Nah. When there is a one more body in contact with this body is a 30 degrees centigrade. It is a hotter than this 30 degree. One more body in contact with this body somewhat 60 degrees centigrade. It is a colder than the 60 degree. Like that you have to measure the temperature. I hope you got it. Yes, for the measuring the temperature, okay, you compulsory take what actually another body help. Okay, now the water is a cold or hot. Okay, it is shown only the temperature. How much? Suppose it is given a 30 degrees. It is may not say cold here. Okay, now another 30, more than the 30 degrees, another body is there, we said it is a cold. How? Now we say water is a very cold. How? When you touch it, you feel cold than you. Okay, like that. Okay, this is only the thing we are considering. Got it? Yes, tomorrow we'll go with one more interesting concept, how to measure the temperatures, hot or cold. Okay, bye, take care.